So let me take the EVNG. In packet tracer, some BGP lab will not work, so better use the EVNG or GNS3. Try to do the lab also, because lab is very important. If you do the lab, you will get more confident. So now we will do the one lab to verify that messages, BGP messages. So let me do here. Yeah, we can do this one. If you see, similar thing we can do. So let me power on this one. Let me power on this one. I have the router 1 and let it be boot up, and we have the router 2. Let's boot up so we can verify that one. It will take some time to boot up. Meanwhile, let me take the other router also, CLI of other router. So this is a simple lab as we done before, similar lab. Just what we need to do, we need to capture the messages. How we will capture means we will use the Wireshark. In that one we are going to capture the messages. So let's wait till this router boot up. It will take some time to boot up. After that we can do this message lab. Okay, so now I will write here no. And I think, yeah, it will start sometime. It will take time. Yeah, this router is okay. So what I will do, let me check the R1 also. So meanwhile we can prepare the configuration. Let me take the notepad. In the notepad we will do the configuration. So here I have some configuration. Let's see if it is valid or not. Configuration you can easily do, right? Or you are facing any issue to do this configuration?
No sir, I'm feeling easy on the
Okay. Okay, so I will, instead of writing again, I will copy this, and we are going to create the new notepad, and here we can give BGP messages. And here we will verify this configuration is okay or not. R1, this one, okay, config to enable, and this is the IP address what we assign. Router BGP1 192.168.12.2, AS number is 2, because we are using here AS is 2. And here is R2 configuration enable, config to hostname, this is the IP, and router BGP2 remote AS is 12.1. Okay, so these both are correct. We can copy paste this configuration. So I will go here in the R1. We will paste in the R1, and what we can do, we can capture the, if you see, this is the interface fast Ethernet 0x0. I will right click capture fast Ethernet 0x0 and open this one. So here we can see whatever the traffic is going. This one remind me later. And if you see here, if I can write BGP one side I configure, let me configure the other side also. I will go to R2. I will configure in the R2 also. Now we can check what we are getting in the capture. If you see here, we are getting the messages. If you see, first what we told, we are going to get the message, open message, right? Here if you see this one, open message. So this is a open message. First time when they are forming the neighborship, they will have the open message. In that one, what information they are going to exchange, let's see here. This is a open message. In this one, which version we are using? Version 4, because we are using IPv4, and AS number is 2, hold on time is 180 second, BGP router ID is 192.168.112.2, because I captured this packet coming from router 2 to router 1. If you see here 192.168.12.2, 192.168.12.2 is going to 192.168.12.1, or if you see this one, 192.168.12.1 is going to 192.168.12.2. so you can see this is the packet which is going from the router 1. So if you see, this packet is going from the router 1, version is 4, AS number is 1, hold on time is 180 second, and this is a router ID. So this one is a open message. After that, we told update. If we are advertising anything, we will have the update message. If any new route is learned, if any route is done. So here if you see update, what we are getting here, R1 is sending update to R2, and what is present in the update, if you see here, withdraw route, nothing we don't have anything here. So what we can do, we can add some route, we can remove some route to verify this one. And if you see keep alive messages, here what you have, this is a keep alive. So they are sending like a hello packets, they are sending these messages. Okay, so now what I will do here, I will create one loopback in this one. This is the router R2, so I will write here interface loopback 0, and then in this one I will write IP address 2.2.2.2, give space 255.0.0.0, and here I will advertise this in the BGP. We are using router BGP 2, so we will write network 2.0.0.0 mask 255.0.0.0. so I advertise in the BGP this one. So after some time you will receive this route here. If you see, you are receiving this route here, and you will get here update message. If you see what update you get here, this one here, this is the update message. In this one, if you see this new route learn, this is a keep alive messages, and if you see this one, R2 is sending to R1, this route is sending. Okay, and now what I will do, I will make this interface down. If I make this interface down, this route will be withdraw. So I will go here, I will write interface loopback 0, I will write here shut. So when I write shut, this route will go down. Again you will have the update message. If you see, R2 is sending to R1 the update. What information is sending? He is sending here, if you see, withdraw route, means they withdraw the route. Which route? 2 dot this one. So this R2 is sending the update to R1, saying that one, this one is withdraw. And if you see somewhere here, what they are saying, R2 is sending to R1, they have the new route, this one 2.2.2. But now when we make the interface down, they are saying withdraw route is this one 2.2.2. So these are the messages we need to remember. You have the open, and then update, keep alive, and you have the notification. If anything go wrong, you will have the notification message. So here still you cannot see the notification message. What I can do, I will remove this BGP, I will make wrong AS number BGP, so you will have the notification. Like, let me show you. We are using router BGP 2, right? I remove that BGP. Now I will configure router BGP 200. Okay, so I am configuring the wrong AS. So let me do neighbor IP, whatever the neighbor IP we have, 192.168.12.1, remote AS, one 192.168.12.1. Let me directly paste here. AS is one, this one we need to. Okay, I put wrong AS. wrong, what we can say, wrong AS I put. If you see, we are getting here notification, here BGP notification, here also if you see BGP notification. So if you configure the wrong AS, wrong router ID, you will get this BGP notification. Here also if you see, notification message is coming. Why you are getting this notification messages? Because we configure the wrong AS. If you see, you are getting here bad peer AS 200. Who is sending? Router 1 is sending to router 2. Okay, router 1 is sending to router 2 saying that this is a wrong AS. So this is a notification message. So you need to remember, you have the 4 messages. First one is a open message, which is going to exchange the information. Then you have the update message. If any route is withdraw, or if any new route is added, you will have the update message. And after that you have the keep alive, like a hello messages. And after that, at last, you have the notification message. If anything go wrong, you will have the notification. That's why you are getting the notification here. And also, if you see, here also you will get notification. See how messages you are getting here. This all are the notification messages. And now if I correct this one, then this all messages will remove. Let me correct. So how I will correct? I will go here, I will write no router BGP 200. I will remove the 200. I remove, right? Let me try. No router BGP 200 I remove. Now I will configure the old one, so you will not have the notification message. If you configure wrong AS, wrong router ID, you will get this notification message. Now I configure, and after that you will have the correct thing. If you see, here again they started open message, keep alive, and if anything need to update, they will update. And every 60 seconds they are going to send the keep alive message. What update you have here? They send the update message here. And if you withdraw route, nothing, just they have the update, and no route is added also here. Keep alive is same like a hello messages, and here open message is going to exchange the information about the BGP identifier, that is the router ID, and the hold on time, AS number, which version we are using. That information is present in the open message. So this is simple only. I hope you understand. This is basic. Just very important, you need to remember, BGP is having the 4 messages. Like in the OSPF we have similar. Here we have the open message, which is going to share the information about the router ID, AS number, hold on time, which version we are using. Keep alive is same like hello messages. They are sending the every 60 seconds. Update message is used if we add new route, or if any route is withdraw, they are going to send the update message. And notification message if anything wrong, like bad AS or bad router ID, then we have the notification message. That's all. This is the BGP messages.